What's up, guys? We hopping live in it today because guess what? First issue with the vet, low fuel. It says low fuel. My fuel gauge just died, and I don't know if you can see in there. It says check gauges. You know, my freaking my digital display here says check gauges also. That's ass. I have no clue what's going on. I just got done driving the car. And we're gonna have to try to figure this out because this is not okay. I had this car literally for like 2 weeks now. 2 weeks. And it's already giving me issues. And the crazy shit is it only has like 48K miles. Let me see. Here we go. 48,378 miles. And it's already giving me issues. Bruh. This is some bull crap. Well, we're gonna get the scanner out. We're gonna see what's going on today. I guess I'll turn the car off. Low fuel. All right, let's get it popping. Yeah, I know the key's in it. I don't know why this car came with 3 manuals. If I got 3 manuals, better have 3 cars. My bad. My bad. Alright, here we go. OBD2 port down here. It's down here somewhere. It's right there. Here we go. That 90s looking tuner. If you guys didn't know, you could also clear codes with the tuner. All right, here we go. Look, fuel gauge just dies. Let's see. Put diagnostics. Man, this thing is crusty. Obviously, it's a manual. Let's try to wipe this off. Nah, still crusty. We're gonna go to trouble codes. TTC information, TTC all, P1431, fuel level sensor 2, great. All right, well, let's escape from that. Escape. Let's try to erase this. See what happens. Communicating. Bruh. 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 No way. Oh, let me turn this off. And freaking exit out of this. Escape, escape, escape. Pull this off. Here we go. Let's turn the car on. See what happens. Now I got more codes. What? Bruh. Let's turn this drawing back off. No, I bought the wrong car. Whoops. Let's try this again. Let's see if it does it. That works when that says low oil level. We'll see. Yeah, I think it's just because I erased the code, it's acting funny a little bit. The oil should be good. Matter of fact, let me double check. love them. Bruh. Oh, it's always something. That's why I don't mess with computers. All right, we good, guys. Everything good. I think the computer's just tripping out a little bit. I hope no bullshit's about to happen. That'd be tight as fuck. But, well, better get my scanner out of there. But, all right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.